Hey kids, today we're learning how to count to 10. It's gonna be real fun and real easy. You'll see. Why don't we get started? Let's see how many birds we can count. 1. I count 1 bird. Say it with me. 1 bird. Another bird has joined. How many birds can you count now? 1, 2. That's right, there are 2 birds. Alright, how many birds can you count this time? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 birds. Great job. Seems we have another bird friend. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds are sitting on the wire. Here comes another bird. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, there are 5 birds this time. And if another bird joins, how many can we count now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds. That's awesome. We have another bird joining our feathered friends. Let's count them all to see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right, there are now 7 birds. Seems we have another bird friend. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there are 8 birds. Here comes another bird. How many birds can you count now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 birds sitting on the wire. Seems one more friend has joined. Let's count all the birds and see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 birds. That's right, we've counted 10 birds together. Well done, guys. You did great. Let's say goodbye to the birdies. Until next time, bye!